Welcome at a channel update. I just want to let you guys know what is up at the moment, what is going to happen for the future. I want to talk about the weekly challenge, I want to talk about the daily challenge, I want to talk about the Discord of this guy down here, Grand Habit. Now first of all, what is going on at this moment is that I'm packing stuff currently because Friday I'm going to move over to another house with my girlfriend. Now the best thing of moving over to this house is that I'm going to get my own working room, which gives me a lot of more freedom to do many more videos each week for this channel, for my Dutch channel. And or I can do live streaming, which is also going to happen with the 30-minute challenge. There is a lot going on at this moment. I will try to put it all on one line. Alright, first of all, the weekly challenge is just going to be the weekly challenge as it is. Only because I'm not sure when I can get back online next week. I have been saying the weekly challenge for this one time only is going to take 3 weeks before I'm making a new video, so I know for sure that I won't fail you guys with coming online. So the end of this month there will be another video popping up of this weekly competition. Maybe in the future I'm going to live stream it, but for now it's fine and I'll keep it as it is. Now also for this channel, when I'm settled down, I'm going to do tutorials again, like I kinda did back in the days with the stuff. A lot more tutorials will come up. I got a lot of requests from people about some certain videos, and because I got a lot more freedom, I can make a lot more videos. I will make a lot of quick tips. I wanna put in more materials and all kinds of stuff. If you have some feedback or some request for a certain tutorial, you can just drop it down below in this comment section, or you can come to Discord. Now, Discord is of Grant. I always say it at the start of the weekly competition, and I just want to pop it up here, and we're also going to talk about the 30-minute challenge. Now, Grant Discord is very big. There are 8.4 thousand people already joined in this Discord, and this Discord has a lot of main channels and a lot of sub channels. Before I'm gonna go to the 30-minute challenge and talk about what is going to happen, I just want to show you like what is what. So when you come in here, this is just the main hall of arrivals. You got rules down here. It's very important to read. Introduction, you can introduce yourself, and here are the main announcement of this Discord channel. Then we got 2 sections of Grant himself. His channel videos, you can suggest stuff, he has live streams, Twitter, down here is his monthly challenge, which you can also join. Here's the announcement. For this month you need to make a magic book. You got a chat for it where you can talk about this stuff. And here you got the entries. A lot of people have joined already, and Grant is always live streaming this at the end of the competition, which I think is a very nice thing to do. Maybe for the weekly challenge, maybe. Down here we have the general stuff, a lot of general things, also off-topic stuff, music. Here we have the artwork. You can just drop them artworks down, 3D, 2D, photographic, and you can ask questions, you can meet up for collabs, put down your portfolios, and a lot more. Down here is my section. Now here you see the weekly stuff. And here I also do a daily 30-minute stuff. I will try to keep it short. Now the point is, I'm going to need to change something with this. It is running fine though, but there are moments when a lot of people join that I'm having a little bit difficulty to choose a winner. Now here's the entries. I can just scroll up for miles and miles and miles and miles for a lot of great stuff each day again. One of the things that is going to change is the suggestions for the daily 30 minutes. Before I was just kind of randomly saying something, but I want to do a subject for each week, which means one week I'm going to say let's do weapons, which I already did the last time, and then each day you need to make another weapon. The week after that, we're gonna do something with food. Every day I'm gonna give you a different type of food. You just make the different type of food. Of course, the daily challenge is something really you have to do for yourself. But as you can see, there are so many entries of something happening. There are a lot of people joining. Some people do funny stuff. Other people make animations. Some are very seriously. And I want to change choosing the winners. And what I would like to do, and I'm still thinking about this, is I might just say, let's do a 5-day daily challenge, and then one day a live stream, and then we're just gonna look at all the artwork, gonna give a little bit critic, or we're just going to say, let's choose a winner on the live stream, because I think you guys' feedback is also something that is very important, and I would also like to know, am I kind of choosing the right winners, or what you think who should actually win, because I think that's very important for me to know if I'm doing it right too. So there's a lot going to happen with these 30-minute challenges, and I just wanted to let you people know that only come to my YouTube channel that this stuff is also going on. So if you feel like you are triggered for Blender, please join Grant's Discord. There's a lot of stuff going on, a lot of challenges going on. It's a lot of fun, and this list is just ongoing, and we just ended up with challenge 122. I did it every day again, and hope it's not too confusing. So, long story short, I'm just giving out a break on the challenges because I'm moving over. When I come back, a lot of tutorials will come up, the weekly challenge will come back, the 30-minute challenge, something will change with that, and I want to do live streaming because I'm gonna get my own room. I have Saturdays and Sundays and after dinner, and I got a lot more freedom, and I actually can't wait to start out again with this channel and boost it up. Now, I think I should actually leave it with this, or else I'm going to drag it out for way too long. So if you have some feedback for me, let me know down below in the comment section. What do you think of the weekly challenge? What do you think of the 30-minute challenge? Are there any tutorials you are suggesting, wanting me to make? I would like to hear that. Just drop it down there. These next upcoming days, I will take a look at your comments, and next week I will take a look. And yeah. I'll be right back at you, and thanks for listening.